we're gonna make salmon and potato cutlets. This is Sri Lankan American. We're gonna get the samosa potatoes and then the fish. There's 2 eggs, breadcrumbs, and the corn muffin mix with the potatoes and fish. I'm gonna roll them into balls. I have egg dipped with salt and pepper. I made them into balls, dip them in the corn muffin mix, and then dip them in the egg mixture, and then dip them in the breadcrumbs. Then afterwards I go back to the egg mix, dip the cutlets in there, and then dip them back in the breadcrumbs so that these won't split. And then I saved some of these in Ziploc bags and put them in the freezer. The rest of them I'm gonna reuse my oil from which I made samosas. Some of these I'm just gonna put them in the egg mix and then just coat them with the corn muffin mix only without dipping them in the bread mix. And I could even double dip them, you know. So I'm gonna take my oil, I'm gonna reuse the oil, put them in my pot, and then I'm gonna fry them. And these are my cutlets, Sri Lankan American dish. Thank you, take care, love you, kisses, bye.